get ready for tonight. We're gonna get fucked up. I actually just got a bottle of vodka. We're going to tax, so there's gonna be a lot of music, but they might check our ID as well, so you might want to get that ready. And I saw on the promotion chat, they said to dress relatively formally. There's gonna be free drinks. Please come. It's gonna be fucking so much fun. So much fun. So much fun. So much fun.
Mama, what do adults play with?
Sand and vodka.
The first time I went out to have a drink, most of my friends were older. I was 16. We went to this place because we wanted to drink beer. I was a little bit nervous because I didn't have the age. I probably put some nice shirt on.
You're making me nervous.
What are you doing, Leon?
I'm gonna put on my suit.
I still remember the shirt. It's a Reaper shirt. It's a white shirt with like purple and blue stripes.
It's a flower shirt.
You always wear that one.
It's my favorite shirt. Got it in England back in 2016. That shit was lit.
So that's the one that I wore. I remember that. I wanted to look like I was more an adult than I was, so I prepared.
You sure?
I have a short sleeve one. Is that better?
That's better because it won't be. Oh, my short sleeve as well.
Okay, short sleeve it is.
You can't tie it. That's too.
Is it good?
That's wrong.
I had a perfume called Krokus, I think it was. It's from Yves Saint Laurent at that time, or something like that, Guerlain or something. It's some sort of recollection of the smell of that. Hair products, so it's like a hair curl.
Oh, yeah,
So I take it and I sort of curl my hair in, and I get.
I'm gonna put it in my hair like this. And apply it like so. Should I do it like that? Yeah, I don't want to have it long.
This flying hairstyle. It's called fly.
Right.
It was called fly at that time, and I looked very cool.
Where's this?
I will knock you out.
Hey, where are you? I can hardly walk. We're on the way to tax, I think. Please come. It's gonna be so much fun. There's gonna be so many drinks. Come.
I'm back. From a childhood, from a teenager to an adult, it's like to get legislative. You can go to a bar and order a drink. It's a very ceremonial. It's like a racial thing in the society.
Yeah, I think it's
a
strange
credit for you to say that you are an adult.
I think that's strange. Like, why is alcohol suddenly, like...
Stop asking so many silly questions. Just go and take a nice glass of wine and enjoy life.